So here's the brutal truth. If your offer sucks, you're going to struggle to make money online, period. Okay. But on the flip side of that, if you know how to create an irresistible offer and you're mediocre at sales and marketing, you can still make a lot of money online. So that's the bright side. I believe offer creation is probably one of the most valuable skills that you can have if you're trying to build an online business and an online community. And the problem is most people don't know how to create irresistible offers. What ends up happening is they get a lot of price objections, they struggle to make sales, and then they probably just end up giving up. Whereas if they focused on their offers and creating better offers, then they might be able to fix things and right the ship. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to help you to solve that problem. So we're going to show you a simple framework that's proven to work over and over again. And today we're going to walk you through exactly how to create irresistible offers using Alex Hormozi's $100 million offer framework, plus some AI tools that I've built that we're going to show you that does most of the heavy lifting for you. So this is the exact process and the tool that our bootcamp members are currently using this week to create their irresistible offers. And so this is the first step, in my opinion, of building any profitable business and definitely a profitable community. But at this point, this is all we've built. We haven't built an actual, unless you've already have your product built and all that, that's great. But if this is your first time launching anything or launching this particular business, we haven't built anything out at this point. All we have done is basically outlined your step-by-step process. And a lot of people make the mistake here of going out and then creating the course or the product or the service or whatever it is. And that's where they end up spending months, weeks, even years, or weeks, months, even years, building something out, only to find out that they don't even know if people are going to buy it. So the better idea is to actually create an offer, which we're going to talk about today, go sell it, validate that people want it, and then build it with the people that purchase, right? And so that's going to skip a lot of time, energy, and wasted effort. And you'll be able to make money a lot faster, which if you're building out this course and you're not making money, there's a much more high likelihood that you're going to give up because you're just not seeing the income come in and you're doing all this work and it's draining you and you're getting burnt out, but you're not getting anything in return. So we want to avoid all that. So how do we do that? Well, what we teach, instead of turning your product roadmap, and instead of going out and building your product roadmap, we just have this outline. We have the product roadmap. Are not building out the product, and we're going to turn that product roadmap into an irresistible offer, and then we're going to go sell it, and then we're going to build the product, the actual thing that we're actually going to fulfill with and deliver. We're going to build that with the people that purchase, like we just said. So that's exactly what we did the first time we created our 10K community bootcamp. We outlined what it would look like and how long it would take it to deliver. Then we created a really irresistible offer around it. And then we validated that idea. I knew it was going to sell anyway, because it's a good offer. But I went out and validated that idea by selling it. And then I built the entire thing week by week with the people that bought. And it was awesome. It's been an awesome experience. This is the second time we've done it. And it creates a lot of energy in our community. People are getting stuff done. They're getting results. And they're doing the work. And that's I love this boot camp model. We can talk about that if you want, but that is what we did. We created an offer. We went and validated the idea by selling it. And then we actually delivered it. Okay. So let's talk about product versus offer. Okay. So your product is not your offer. Your offer is the way that you package up your product or service to make it irresistible to your customers. Okay. So let me give you a little example to illustrate this. Let's look at two different products, same basic piece of software, but two different products. You've got lead pages on the left for $59 a month, and then you have ClickFunnels on the right for $97 a month. So which of these two offers looks like a better deal? So they're both funnel builders, and all things being equal, at first glance, you're going to think, okay, let's go with lead pages because it's cheaper and it probably does about the same stuff. And it might even be a better funnel builder. I haven't played around with it for a really long time, but that's kind of not the point. If you think about, we all know that it's not a better offer to go with lead pages than ClickFunnels, because lead pages is just selling a funnel builder and then the features of that funnel builder. So it's just, they're trying to sell the product. And when you're trying to sell a product, just the features and the benefits of the features, then that is like selling a commodity. And so there's a ton of funnel builders out there. They all kind of do the same thing. So how did ClickFunnels kind of set itself apart and differentiate itself? Well, Russell Brunson, being the brilliant marketer that he is, he turned his funnel builder into an irresistible offer. So how did he do it? So he took his funnel builder, which again is just a commodity by itself, and he bundled that up with a bunch of extra courses that teach people how to, get leads, how to convert those leads, how to build funnels, all these different extra courses. He gave them plug and play templates to write sales pages, to write different, emails, all that kind of stuff. He gave them different pieces of software that write some of those that pieces of content for them, and other add-ons that focused on really just he knew the challenges that his target audience was gonna face, and then he added things to the offer to help them crush those challenges. And so that's how he built value and increased the value of his offer, and that's why ClickFunnels has been so successful, right? So I want you to ask everybody on here, I want you to ask yourself, have you been trying to just sell the products and features? Are you just trying to sell a commodity? And if you have been trying to just sell your product or your products and your features of your product, then that's probably why you're struggling right now, if you are struggling. All right. So how you package your offer is the key to increasing the perceived value and therefore the price that you can charge for what you're trying to sell. Okay. And so now I'm going to show you how to package up your product or service to make it irresistible. Okay. So let's talk about how to package up your offer. So burn this into your brain. What you're looking at, and some of you are probably familiar with this. This is the value equation. This is Alex Hormozi's value equation that comes from his $100 million offer book. And so basically, this is how you can think about adding value to your offers. And so that's where I like to focus most of my attention when we're crafting an offer, because most of the objections and the false beliefs that keep your customers from buying are centered around the bottom parts of this equation. They either think it's going to take too long, or it's going to be too hard, or it's going to cost too much, either time or energy, right? And so now let's talk about the 7 elements that you can combine together to create an irresistible offer and to kind of work on some of these elements. All right. So number 1 is your promised outcome of the offer. And so again, this is tied to the dream outcome in the equation. And then the next one is a unique mechanism. So depending on how sophisticated your market is, the promise, they might have heard all the different promises before, right? Like lose 10 pounds in 12 days or whatever we've all heard certain promises over and over again. So we just start to tune those out and they just aren't as effective anymore. And so when that happens, you need to lean on a unique mechanism. So if you introduce a approach that's novel and new and different than anything your audience has heard before, then that's going to give them hope that your method is the one that's actually going to help them get the result that they've tried all these other things before. And so again, that's tied to increasing the perceived likelihood of achievement, which is on that top part of that equation. And so coming up with a unique mechanism is a great way to offset those claims that they've heard before, because this becomes a new and novel approach, and that creates hope that it might actually work. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. The next thing, once we've got the promise, once we've got the unique mechanism, you're going to kind of lay out your core deliverables. And so this is the basic structure of how you'll deliver the offer and the basics of what they're going to get. So are you going to do done for you service? Is it going to be done with you? Is it going to be do it yourself? How are you going to provide support? What kind of access to you do they have? Do they have one-on-one calls? Do they have group calls? Those kind of things. You're going to lay those out once you've got the promise, the unique mechanism, and then you'll lay out your core deliverables. And then the offer stacks and bonuses. And this is where you can really start to add the value to your offer, right? And so you saw the example we gave earlier with ClickFunnels. These are the add-ons that help you increase the value of your offer. So we have a step-by-step process that we walk our members through to help them come up with a huge list of these potential add-ons and bonuses. And then we teach them how to kind of prune those down and narrow them into the very best ones and help them package up their offers to make them irresistible and easy to sell. And these add-ons, again, is where you can kind of work on that bottom part of the equation. So making things faster, easier, and with less effort for those people. And so that's how you're going to really focus on adding a lot of value. This offer stack and bonuses is where the majority of the value is going to come from. And then you've got the guarantee. And so this is basically how you reduce risk. Okay. So you're going to give them a guarantee, and by guarantee, if they get their money back, then there's really no risk of them, joining or paying for your service. And it doesn't have to be money back, but you can see how that reduces risk. And so that affects, again, that perceived likelihood of success, because if they don't have success, they can always, claim the guarantee, right? And then the last two elements are scarcity and urgency. And these are used to get people to take action. A lot of times when you're making offers, people just don't take action because there's no scarcity and urgency to do it. If they can always buy and get the same exact offer, then there's really no urgency or scarcity to make them actually take action. So scarcity describes limited availability. So that's like limited spots or limited bonuses available. And then urgency describes like deadlines and things like that are time-based elements. And so adding these two elements to your offers gets people to take action. Okay. Tool that we've built that our bootcamp members get. So this is a Claude project. If you guys are familiar with Claude projects, basically what you do is you upload a system prompt, and then you upload a knowledge base, which is kind of like the brain. So the system prompt is basically the roles and responsibilities. So you can think of it as an employee. You give them roles and responsibility, and then the knowledge base is their brain, right? And so inside of our program, what we do is we actually, in the boot camp and for annual members, we actually give people the actual project. So we give them the system prompt, we give them the actual brain for the actual tool. And so what we developed, what everybody set up yesterday, was this AI offer creation tool. And let me show you how this kind of works with the product roadmap, which we built in week 1. So this is an example of that I was going through yesterday on the boot camp. So what we did is I pasted in, I said, can you analyze my program and help me create an irresistible offer? And then I pasted in my product roadmap. Again, that is a foundational piece. Once we have it, we can build all kinds of things. And so this thing is trained on creating great offers. So basically it asked me a few questions. I answered those questions. Then it helped me it gave me 3 different options for my big, bold promise and my unique mechanism, like we talked about the 7 elements. And then I just picked one that I liked. I actually did a really good job. So that was my my big promise and my unique mechanism. And then it started asking me questions about my core deliverables. So we built out my core deliverables. Let me show you what that looks like. So this is my core deliverables. So now I have my big, bold promise. I have my unique mechanism, and now I have my core deliverables. And then we started going into the bonus stack. And so I gave it basically is reading my product roadmap, and then it's understanding the perceived challenges and false beliefs in all the phases of my product roadmap. So it kind of lists all those out. I can answer those. I can say, I can give my opinion on those. I can give my own thoughts on that, which I think you'll do a little bit better job typically than AI, but it does a really good job. And then once it comes up with all the challenges and false beliefs for each of the phases, it will actually come in here and it will give me a bunch of different ideas of things that I can add to my offer to increase the value, to crush those false beliefs and challenges ahead of time. So it gave me a huge list of these. And another thing with these ideas that you can add to your offer, these can also become lead magnets that you can use to promote in your YouTube videos, in your social media content, and on your ads to drive people to your free community funnel, to convert them into, and then present them with this offer, which is going to be great, and then convert them into your paid stuff. So that's a huge list. Let me just scroll through this. You can see how many different things it gave us here. And then that's the last one. And then the final one, a guarantee. So this one came up with a really good guarantee. I liked this one. If you attend all the workshops and you do all the assignments and you aren't completely satisfied by the end, I'll give you your money back. I actually think we might implement that, Joe.
Cool.
And then, so that was the guarantee. And then it comes down here, and then we add scarcity and urgency. It gave me some different ideas, helped me to choose a few. And then basically at the very end, let's see, it will write out, and this is like our offer one sheeter, that once we have the offer one sheeter, now we have a document that we can go out and we can start to try to book calls with our warm leads, our warm audience, to get them on the phone and then walk them through this offer to try to sell them into the program. And so this will actually create the offer one sheeter for you. It'll take all the information that you just collaborated with in the tool in those 7 elements that we talked about, and then it will build out a document. So now you have a structured offer that you fully understand what's in your program and exactly how it's delivered, so that you can present that to your customers when you get them on a call and hopefully get your first sales. Community Builders Elite is our paid community where we literally give you everything you need to launch, grow, and monetize a very profitable and fun community, including the roadmap, the coaching and the training, the automated systems, and the AI tools that are going to help you to do it faster and easier. So if you want to come check us out, I'll drop a link in the description so you can join us and see what we're all about. So we'll see you inside.